Cebu Pacific welcomes you to General Santos International Airport. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 35 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Kaluwag and First Officer Bertulfo, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you